guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. For my returnees, thanks for always watching my videos. Yes, in today's tutorial we'll be doing a full bridal glam and a bridal look, and this is my model. As you can see guys, I have done our hair in the traditional way, and we are ready. We are good to go. This is the Edo bridal hairdo. Yes, so guys, as you can see, our eyebrows are tinted, and I'm just prepping our eyebrows using a primer, a Rimmel primer, and I'm going in with my eyebrow pencil. I'm using the Davis eyebrow pencil in shade 3, sorry, and I'm just drawing our brows. Yes, our brows are tinted, so our brows are tinted, and I'm just drawing an illusionary line, and I concealed our eyebrow using the LA Girl Pro concealer in creamy beige and fawn. I'm using fawn to clean the top of our eyebrows. Yes, so I'm just doing that neatly so I don't go into the brows, and I'm using an angle brush to do this. You can use any brush of your choice. Yes, so guys, I'm just tracing it and cleaning up the brows like I said earlier. I'm always very careful. So guys, as you can see, I've applied eyeshadow primer on our eyelid, and I used the Clone White Ben Clone White eyeshadow primer, and I'm using a dark purple eyeshadow from my Avon eyeshadow palette, and I'm just applying it in a circular motion, and I started from the outer corner into the eyelid. Yeah, so I went in with a dark shade, then a light purple shade as well, and I'm just blending both together softly. You don't want to mount pressure on your brush. Yeah, I'm just repeating the same process on the other lid. I'm covering it up with a light pink, and I'm using a clean brush to blend all the eyeshadow together, just blending it lightly with a blending brush. So guys, I'm going to be using glitters, and I'm applying the glitter glue, Luster glitter glue. Yes, they have a glitter glue, and I must say it's really good. So I'm applying the glitter shadow, pigment shadow from Classic Cosmetics, and I just mixed the shade up together. I mixed gold, light pink, and maybe silver together to achieve this look, and I'm using a setting spray now to set our face. Please don't mind the lashes. I wanted something dramatic. Yes, so you know, some brides can be very extra. Yes, I want that umbrella lashes, some of them will tell you. So I'm just moisturizing beneath our eyes. I'm using the Cetarphil moisturizer to moisturize beneath our eyes, and I'm going in with the Ezekiel 24 karat gold serum. Yeah, just to prep our skin. Yeah, I forgot to mention, I lined our eyes using Nigerian eyeliner in jazz. Yep, and I'm just massaging the serum into our skin, as you can see. Yeah. Massage. If your client has an oily skin, it's advisable you use a brush, yes, to apply that instead of your hands. You don't really want to pat the skin too much. It will cause more oil to break out from the skin. So what I'm using now is a primer. I'm using the Juba Cosmetic primer. It's a 3-in-1 primer, by the way. Yes, it serves as a moisturizer as well as a primer. Yes, 2-in-1. So guys, I'm applying foundation on the skin, and I used the Ezekiel Cosmetic foundation in color 10, in shade 10, as well as Maybelline foundation in 340 rather. Yes, and I'm just blending using my blending brush as well as a beauty blender. I'm using the Beauty Line by Didi beauty blender. Guys, I'm going in now to highlight the face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in creamy beige. Yes, to make the highlight pop. Yup. And I felt I used too much. So guys, I'm just highlighting the T-zone area. Yup. And you can see the eyes popping. I really love these eyes. Ooh. So I contoured using a dark shade of concealer, and I used the Fire Good concealer in shade 10, and I'm using my blending brush, my beauty blender, to blend gently. Yes, I'm patting on gently. So guys, I'm contouring the face. I'm using a brush from the I can't really remember the name though. Yeah, Zoeva, I think, brush. So I'm trying to snatch the nose here. Snatch that nose. Come on, you really need to snatch the nose very well. And I'm using a blending brush as well to do so. You can use a beauty blender, whichever one works for you. And I'm going in with a beauty blender to pat on gently into the skin. Yeah, as a bride now, the bride has to pop more than every other person. Yes, so blend is key. I had problem with light, that's why it's appearing dark somehow, but I tend to correct that anyway. Yes, so as you can see, it's popping. I'm still blending in circular motion, just blending and blending. Yeah, the next thing I am doing is to apply blush on the cheek. Yeah, I'm just applying blush from my classic palettes, my classic blush palette in shade orange, and I'm just patting on the cheek. Yeah, as you can see, I've baked the face, and I baked using my Xeron translucent powder to bake. Woo, this is mad oh. Yeah, so it's in the oven and this is the baking process. Yeah, don't you just love it? Like, I already love how it looks. I so much love this look in particular. Yow. Smooth, clear, fine, well baked, bakey. So guys, I did the lips off cam. If you want to learn how I did this, you can check my previous video on the ombre lip, how I achieved an ombre lip look. Yes, I'm going to leave the link up in the card, so you just click on it to see how this was achieved. Yes, so I'm just blending out the setting powder using a Milani compact powder in medium shade. Is it medium or light? I think medium. Yeah, medium shade. And I'm just dusting off. Yeah, don't mind my model, she said she feels a tickle in her nose. I'm blending off using a powder brush. So I'm using a smaller blending brush to blend those areas the bigger brush can't get to. And I'm just blending off with powder. Yeah. Blend. I always get to emphasize on blending. Blending is key. And yeah, I'm going in now with my setting spray. I'm using my Juba cosmetic setting spray to set the face, just to calm the powder and put everything in place. Yes, so I'm going in now with my setting spray again, Ezekiel setting spray. Now it's time to pop, and I'm using my Fire Gold loose bronzer on her face. You can see that glow. And yes guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Like, wow, you can see the contour just right in place. She looks stunning, like stunning. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this look. What do you think? You can drop that whatever you think in the comments below. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Yes, don't forget to turn on your notification post. Yes, turn on the bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.